Hi, I'm Rick Orr, founder of Agent AI, where you will meet Grant, our super-powered AI who can build websites in 140 seconds. All you need to do is go to getwithgrant.com, click the Get Started button, and then you can enter in your information. Grant will recognize what city you're in already, and now it's calling out to over 330 MLSs to find you, ask you a few questions. Yep, that's me, my wife technically. You give it a couple of logos, so give it a logo there, and we'll give it one more here, and next, and we'll put an email in there for now, and you can even choose the video that shows whenever the page first launches. So you've got a few choices, all pulling from Adobe. Let's go with this one, and we will choose a headshot, and we are on our way. So while Grant is off building this website, which again should take about 140 seconds, I'm going to show you a few other features that you will enjoy once that is complete. The completed product is going to look something very similar to this, which is, beautiful luxury grade, very, very simple to edit, digital presence. This is all of your marketing, your SEO, how do you get found, how do you get contacted, how do you qualify yourself in space. I'm actually a 28-year realtor broker myself, my wife also an agent, and so I can speak confidently that this platform is built for you to be able to manage and also grow your brand. Easy to edit, tons and tons of different styles of blocks and navigation and various things that you can add to the site, but it comes packaged just like this. For the most part, you're just adding a few bits of information, your bio, and you're off to the races. When you create searches, you can do them in a couple of different ways. One of the most popular ways is to create them from within Follow Up Boss. We have an incredibly deep integration with Follow Up Boss. Every bit of the web activity, all the power of the IDX to view, edit, and share saved searches for a new lead, whether they come from Realtor.com or Zillow or, of course, your Real Savvy website. It's all right here at your fingertips. Easy to edit searches, change the neighborhoods to an adjacent neighborhood, as you can see here with this integrated map, and you never have to leave Follow Up Boss. Our platform comes with a very simple CRM. It also integrates with other CRMs. So schedule a demo if you'd like some more information on that. Two-way syncing with Follow Up Boss as an embedded app. You simply go to Follow Up Boss integrations, and you will see Real Savvy as the one of the most powerful, in fact, embedded app that is out there. One of the first, in fact. Every single listing gets its own property website. These are going to be auto-generated in the system as soon as you sign up, and you get access to a dashboard that lets you control everything. So these are my listings. They're automatically pulled in. I can, within just a few clicks, actually create a meta display ad on my own social media property that will be sent out to all of Meta's platform, Instagram, Facebook, Threads, etc. And it creates incredible value for sellers. There's a seller report that will make them understand, especially in tough markets like now, that you're doing everything you can to promote the property. Giving a seller report is a fantastic way to show that you're making investment in their listing. Once it completes, it's actually creating an ad right now. It's pulling down information about the neighborhood so that you can get really great copy and various other things that will then allow you to promote the property in the best fashion to the appropriate audience for your listing. So while that's completing, I will bounce over to here. Yep, we have a new website. The website has been created. This is what it looks like with just 140 seconds of effort. The search platform will then open up into, let's let this load here. The search platform will open up into a beautiful safe search portal where you can quickly browse through. All of this activity, of course, is going back to Follow Up Boss. There are no passwords. It's very easy to pull people into the platform. Very elegant and seamless way to collaborate with our collections feature and your buyers and technically sellers. Let's see if that ad is ready. And So that ad is now ready. I can choose a different photo. I can hit continue. It's going to auto-generate a preview for me. And then if I hit start campaign, it will begin running my ad for that listing for as little as $29 a week. So we'll allow that to finish, and then I will start that campaign. This is the campaign it's going to run. Let's hit start, and now I'm running ads. So it's that simple to control your marketing, to control your branding. A few other quick features on the platform. Because it has all this awareness of your listings, Grant can give you information about your listings, can write blog posts that will post to the website automatically, making it very easy to handle your content creation. One-click login into the IDX. This is where you can create blog posts, tell Grant what you want it to do, and it will post it to the website. And then, of course, you have a full, absolutely latest version of GPTs right here at your fingertips, included in the price. So not only do you get a beautiful website, and not only do you get property websites auto-generated for every one of your listings, but you get access to an AI assistant that's there looking into your CRM, looking into your MLS, helping you create content, helping you market yourself better, helping you be compliant, helping you, navigate any kind of market. And with that, Grant and Agent AI are here to help you. Again, build a website in 140 seconds. Go to getwithgrant.com, schedule a demo, or just sign up and try it out. If you ever need us, we're at sales@realsavvy.com.